Thanksgiving when I was a kid meant my great-grandparents' house. I smell my Big Papa's pipe tobacco, and I smell my Big Mama's yeast muffins. And I just hear lots of laughter, and yeah, it's just, it's home. It's familiarity. It's those faces and those smells. It just lets you know that you belong to a place. It's where all of my most precious Thanksgiving memories still live. I would give anything to be able to go back in that house. Yeah. I'd give anything to be able to walk back in that house and have Thanksgiving again at that table.
We put a call out to our technicians, our retail store employees, our call center employees, and we have asked them to bring in food. And so today we are taking all of those donations. We're packing those up because we want to help feed families in Waller County.
Thanksgiving and what it means to us, at least as an organization, is we may not be at the table with those folks that come and get a meal from us, but I guess we're virtually there in that we help them get that meal.
To see Comcast as a supporter in the community, that's really important for us to be part of these networks and come together. And I'm really excited to help people have a good Thanksgiving.
I hope that there are going to be kids that remember this Thanksgiving and remember their mom smiling as she made that dinner, because it was one less worry that she had.
It kind of gives me chills to know that we were able to feed 170 families.
It's a blessing. I can give thanks for a lot, for having my home, a whole new life. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Connectivity, it really is more than just whether or not you can communicate with your family back home. It really is also economic prosperity. It really can be the differentiator of outcomes. And at the end of the day, we're people. We make up this company. We live in these communities and we care. We care about these communities.